Evening, everyone. I hope all of you are excited to learn something creative and fun today. I'm welcoming you all in the Stool Code Future Scale Bootcamp 2026, in which we are going to create digital advertisements using Canva. So today I'll be introducing you with a very exciting skill which is part of the Kaushal Bodh Grade 8 Project 4 of advertisement creation. By the end of today's session, you will be able to create your own poster and video advertisement just like professional designers. So let us begin our creative journey. My name is Pooja Vora and I work as a content writer at Yep Education. At our company, we work on digital learning, educational content, creativity, and technology based solutions that help students to learn practical skills for the future. We believe that learning should not happen through books, but also through creating, designing, and solving real world problems. In today's session, we will be learning what advertisements are, why ads are important, different types of ads, elements of good ad. We will be introduced with the Canva software and we will create poster and a video advertisement using Canva. Most importantly, you are going to learn by doing. So congratulations in one another session of Stu Code. Okay, let's have the first ice-breaking activity or a chat activity. Which advertisement do you remember most? A TV ad, a YouTube ad, or Instagram ad, or billboard? Just write it down the answers in the chat quickly. Okay, Akshay is saying TV ad, Shasvi is saying YouTube ad, Arav is saying TV ad. There are so many students, those who are answering TV ad, YouTube. Nobody is watching the Instagram ads. Nobody is writing for Instagram. Okay, Arav is saying none of them. No, not possible, beta. You must come across the advertisement daily. Okay, you are not using Instagram. Very good. You come across the billboards also when you go for shopping or some traveling in the car. आप लोगों को वहां पर billboards या ads नहीं दिखते? Yes or no? Yes. You can see billboards ads. Yes, everybody is writing yes. And why you remember these ads? ऐसा क्या होता है इन ads में कि आपको ये याद रहते हैं कि हमने ये advertisement या ये ad देखी थी? Quickly give me the answer in the chat. Creative, okay. Repeat, because they come repeatedly, okay. Any other answer? They are fun, creative. Animations are very good, very nice. Some good interesting scenes, okay, because we see them again and again. Acceptable? Yes. So the fact that you remember those advertisement means that they are successful. अगर आपको वो याद रहती हैं तो means उन्होंने जो सोचा है कि इस advertisement से हम लोगों तक पहुंचेंगे, हम लोगों को अपने बारे में बताएंगे. So they are successful in that. Colorful, very good. These ads are fun. Yes, some ads are very fun. You enjoy watching them. Yes. Okay. Now let's move to the other part. What is an advertisement? Ad होती क्या है? ठीक है. So an advertisement is a message designed to persuade. Persuade का मतलब कि आपको समझाना, आपको मनाना, आपको एक्साइटमेंट देना या आपको कुछ एक्शन के लिए प्रोवोक करना. So to people to buy, you support, like they are ask you to buy a product, they ask you to use a service, supporting a cause or participating any event in school or in society. So advertisements are everywhere around us. It could be for a product, it could be for a service, it could be for social awareness. So all over we can see advertisements. So it's all around us. Every day we see hundreds of advertisements without realizing it. What my point? Now, next point comes in our mind. Why? Why these advertisements are important? क्यों जरूरी हैं ये advertisements हमारे लिए? Can you write it down in chat? Why they are important? Then I will explain you these points. Okay, Viha is saying I like product ads क्योंकि उससे हमें awareness मिलती है what are the new things in the market to promote, to sell items. Okay, for information. Very nice. Let us know about the new product. Very good. Information, promote. Ma'am, because they aware us, please take my answer, ma'am. I'm taking your answer, Weber. They help us to know more information of a material we get. Dhruvi is saying it gives information about the latest product. It raises awareness. Yes, Arav. Yes. Very nice. So you people are aware of this, that why we are watching advertisements and why are advertisements important. So let me explain this to you. Imagine you have opened the most amazing bakery in your city and you make delicious cakes and cookies and pastries. But there is one problem. Nobody knows about your bakery. किसी को पता ही नहीं है कि यहाँ पर इतनी अच्छी बेकरी ओपन हुई है. So will people come and buy from you? No, they will not come because they are not aware of that ki there is a nice bakery is there in their society. So they exactly why important advertisements are important. They are to inform the inform the people. Whenever a new product, movie or any app or even a school event is launched, ad helps to spread the information. So yes, with the help of the advertisements we can inform people at large. Then promote. It helps business to grow. Imagine a small toy shop in your neighborhood again. If the owner creates a good advertisement, more people will discover the shop. They will get attracted towards their shop, and more the customer means more the growth. So for promotion, we need advertisement. Raise awareness. Advertisements are not only for selling the product only, for new services or new products. It they are used to spread messages also, like save water, road safety, Swachh Bharat, cyber safety, etc., to create awareness and help the society. Then encourage actions. It they want you to do something. जब भी आप कोई एड देखते हो तो दे आर फोर्सिंग यू, दे आर टेलिंग यू, दे आर परस्यूडिंग यू टू encourage you, to inspire you to do something like to buy a product, to join an event, to stay safe online. So all these things are there when we are talking about the importance of advertisement. Okay, let's move to the another slide. Now types of advertisements. We have basically two types of advertisement. Broadly हम इनको दो parts में divide करते हैं. One is the commercial ad, which is like we can say these promotes products and services. They are helping us to promote products and services. The examples you can see on the screen, there are very few examples. We have lots and endless products are available in the market right now. So you can see endless commercial ads like chocolate, mobile phone, clothings, etc., etc. Then we have social advertisements. Social advertisements basically are used to spread awareness. Fine. So my question to you all, can anyone give an example of a social advertisement? कोई social advertisement आपने देखी है आसपास? Arav is saying social ads are important. So can you just Swachh Bharat? Okay. Anisha is saying solar panel. ओके, सोलर पैनल की हम प्रमोट कर रहे हैं उसको कि आप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सेव कर सकते हैं. सेव वाटर, सेव एनवायरमेंट. कनक इज सेइंग, अपर्णा इज सेइंग सेव वाटर, यशस्वी सेइंग सोलर पैनल फॉर द, यस, प्रीति सेइंग फॉर मनी सेफ्टी. आरव वेरी गुड, बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पढ़ाओ, बेटी बचाओ, वेरी गुड. ध्रुवी सेइंग सेव ट्रीज. यस, आरबीआई के भी हमारे बहुत सारे सोशल एडवर्टीजमेंट्स आते हैं. वेरी गुड. सो यू आर अवेयर दैट वी आर हैविंग द सोशल एडवर्टीजमेंट ऑल्सो, विच आर नॉट सेलिंग देयर प्रोडक्ट but they are spreading awareness among us. Very good, very nice. Okay, let's move to the another part. Now where do we see advertisements? दो तीन जगह तो मैंने आपको बताई, but think of other places we can see the advertisements. Just write it down in the chat quickly. कहाँ कहाँ पर हमको ads दिखती हैं? In TV, okay, we know that in TV we got to know games के बीच में ads आती हैं, newspaper, pamphlets. I should be saying everywhere. Hoardings, markets, laptops, mobile phones, YouTube, on roads. Yes, TV, PDFs are there, markets, phone. Yes. Lots of answers are on the billboard. Yes, Anishka. Yes, we can see news. We can see in the newspaper, magazines, telephone, social media, poster, billboards, radio, YouTube, etc., etc. Here we can see these advertisements. So advertisements are everywhere. Without knowing, we can come across so many advertisements in our लाइफ. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप यूट्यूब पे एक मूवी का टीजर देखते हो कि टीजर आउट हो गया, सो व्हाट इज दैट टीजर? बेसिकली वो टीजर है क्या? वो एडवर्टीजमेंट ही तो है कि दिस मूवी इज कमिंग एंड कब आ रही है यहाँ पर, है ना? तो इस तरीके से आपका रहता है. ठीक है, ओके. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. एलिमेंट्स ऑफ अ गुड एडवर्टीजमेंट्स. क्या क्या हमारी अच्छी एडवर्टीजमेंट्स में होना चाहिए? दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट 5 की ingredients, I would say कि they must be there. Fine. The first thing is the logo. So right now you know that ki I'm promoting my books, my promoting my things. So हमारी हर चीज का एक logo होता है. Can you see my company logo on the screen? Can you see my company on logo on the screen? Yes. What is written in my company's logo? Can you just write it down in chat? Yep. Yes. Yep, education. Yes, this is purposeful learning. Got my point. Yeah. So logo, some taglines, slogans, visuals, emotions, and call to actions. They are very much required for creating a good advertisement. Now what we are doing, यहाँ पर भी देखो हम computational thinking ही use कर रहे हैं. If we are going to, हमने decompose कर दिया अपनी advertisement. ये डीकॉम्पोजिशन हो गया हमारा कि हमें लोगों पे ध्यान देना है, हमें एक अच्छा टैगलाइन रखना है, विजुअल रखना है, कॉल टू एक्शन रखना है, क्या हमारे स्टेटमेंट्स होने चाहिए. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन हियर, वी हैव डीकम्पोज आवर एडवर्टीजमेंट कि ये 5 इंग्रेडिएंट्स अगर हमारी एड में होंगे तो वी आर क्रिएटिंग एन अट्रैक्टिव एड which will be helpful for everyone and to us also. Okay, so let's discuss one by one these elements. Okay, so logo, the visual identity. What is logo? A logo is an identity of a brand. When you see the logo, you immediately recognize the company. So there is an activity for you. Can you identify logos without seeing the company's name? अब मैंने कंपनीज के नाम नहीं लिखे हैं, बट कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई विच वन इज द फर्स्ट वन? क्विकली राइट इट डाउन द आंसर. Yes, the first one is the logo of Nike. Very nice, very nice. Okay, which one is the second one? The middle one. Very good, very good. Quickly, everybody is answering. Excellent. It's McDonald. किस किस को मैकडोनल्ड्स के बर्गर पसंद है, फ्राइज पसंद है, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स पसंद है? Yes. Fine. And which one is the last one? Yes, this is a logo of SBI Bank. Very nice, very nice. If you can identify these logos, कितना आसान हो जाता है अगर हम लोगोस को पहचानते हैं तो we can easily find it out कि एक एडवर्टीजमेंट कौन सी कंपनी की है ना? Okay. So next time when you will see any ad, try to locate the logo or even all the 5 ingredients, ki whether these 5 ingredients are there or not in that advertisement. Okay, let's move to the next one. Now the tagline or slogan. A slogan is a short, memorable phrase. Fine. So let's quickly do this activity. So a slogan should be short, catchy, easy to remember. Like we have just do it. ये just do it किसका लोगो है और टैगलाइन है? Quickly tell me. Yes, I'm getting the right answers. Arav is saying the right answer. Next, quickly, quickly, quickly. Yes, it's just do it is a slogan of Nike. आज कुछ तूफानी करते हैं. Yes, very nice. सब excited हो गया बहुत ज्यादा. Very nice. I'm getting lots and lots of answers. Yes, it's and the answer is thumbs up. आज कुछ तूफानी करते हैं. And in the last, हर घर तिरंगा. किसका टैगलाइन और स्लोगन है ये? Quickly tell me. Okay, it's a yojana. Very nice. So it's government yojana. You can say it's a government campaign for हर घर तिरंगा. है ना? हम सबने किया था ये. सबने अपने अपने घर में तिरंगा लगाया था. So ये गवर्नमेंट की एक कैंपेन थी जिसमें कि उन्होंने बोला था कि हमें हर घर में तिरंगा लहराना है ना? ओके, सो दिस वाज अबाउट द tagline and slogan. Now it's your turn. I have an activity for you. Write a slogan for a pencil. मैंने बहुत छोटा सा product लिया है, the product that you are using daily. So if you need to create a slogan for a pencil advertisement, give me the slogan for that. Quickly, I want some attractive slogans for that. Okay, Arav is saying लिखते रहो. Okay, Arav. बढ़ते चलो, लिखते चलो. Very good, Arav. Viha is saying good handwriting. Yashasvi saying your star. Okay, nice. Quickly give me the answer. Think for 10 seconds and then give me the answer. Write down a beautiful. Okay, Aparna is saying tum kar sakte ho. Arav is saying keep writing, don't sharp. Be smooth, write smooth. Dhruvam is saying nice. Want to get a good writing? Just use it. Your book, your penny. Trusha is saying eat 5 star, do nothing. Vaibhav. Karnav is saying keep working. Okay, one of person is saying likho dil se aur dimag se. Karnav is saying a tool that create possibilities. Very nice. Ritvik is saying paper or pencil ki jodi. So I must say I have a very creative audience here. Give a pat on your back. I'm so excited to read your answers. आइए और खरीदिए फटाफट लिखने वाली हमारी पेंसिल. अनुष्का इज सेइंग वेरी नाइस. ड्रॉ योर समर ब्राइट. पेपर एंड पेंसिल की जोड़ी. लिखो और भारत का नाम रोशन करो. अपर्णा इज सेइंग वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. Great. Okay. Let's move further. Now the next is visuals. Visuals are very much important. Human process visual much faster than text. अगर आपको विजुअल्स दिखाई देंगे, अब सपोज इफ आई एम टेकिंग दिस प्रेजेंटेशन, अगर मैं आपसे बात करूं विदाउट एनी विजुअल्स, विदाउट एनी पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन, यू वॉन्ट बी एबल टू लर्न इट वेल, है ना. लेकिन अगर यही मैं आपको विजुअल्स दिखाती हूँ, इमेजेस दिखाती हूँ, डिफरेंट कलर्स यूज करते हैं, तो वो बहुत ही अट्रैक्टिव हो जाता है. वो लर्निंग पर्पस से हमारे को हमारी ग्रैब अटेंशन ग्रैब करने के लिए हमारा बहुत अच्छा रहता है. ठीक है. सो विजुअल्स आर वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. इट शुड इमीडिएटली ग्रैब अटेंशन. We have to use good colors, images, shapes or layout. You can see on the screen also कि if we are excited to announce our event, यहाँ पर अगर हमने एक before लिखा है, plain text है, no color, only cluttered layout है. But after we can see if we are creating the advertisement like this with the bold colors, clear image and balanced layout. So it is looking very attractive and engaging. Fine. So a good mix of text and visual is very much important. So this was our third one. Next is emotions. Emotions in advertisements are very much important. They connect with our emotions, with our happiness, love, responsibilities, or courage. They make us feel happy, excited. Fine. Okay. Now tell me one thing. Why do advertisements show smiling faces? जब भी आप कोई एडवर्टीजमेंट देखते हो, आप देखते हो कि लोग हंसते हुए दिखते हैं, स्माइलिंग फेसेस दिखते हैं, इमोजीज हमें स्माइलिंग वाली दिखती हैं. व्हाई? टू अट्रैक्ट अस. ओके. नेक्स्ट. गिव मी द आंसर्स क्विकली. मेकिंग अस फील हैप्पी. इट शोज दैट पीपल आर फीलिंग हैप्पी टू यूज इट. वेरी नाइस. बिकॉज ऑफ पॉजिटिव फीलिंग. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बिकॉज ही इज हैप्पी. टू प्रमोट देयर प्रोडक्ट एंड अट्रैक्ट अस. डू गुड. है ना. हमेशा हम अब जब हैप्पी दिखते हैं तो हम बहुत खुश होते हैं. हम हैप्पी दिखते हैं तो अच्छे भी लगते हैं, है ना. टू नॉट गेट पीपल बोर्ड. यस. किसी को भी रोता हुआ देख के किसी को अच्छा नहीं लगता, लेकिन सबको हैप्पी देखते हुए सबको अच्छा लगता है. अगर योर फ्रेंड इज स्माइलिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, आप भी उसको देखकर हंस पड़ते हो. एंड बेसिकली वो आपको बता रहे हैं कि हमारा प्रोडक्ट यूज करने के बाद लोग खुश हैं, दे आर हैप्पी. सो इट्स बेसिकली आपके इमोशंस को टच करते हैं कि अगर वो इतना खुश है, इतना एक्साइटेड है, तो मुझे भी ये प्रोडक्ट ट्राई करना चाहिए, मुझे भी ये गेम ट्राई करनी चाहिए, या इस मूवी में बहुत सारे लोग हंस रहे हैं तो आई मस्ट गो एंड वॉच दैट मूवी विद माई फैमिली. सो इस तरीके से वो आपके इमोशंस को टच करते हैं. फाइन. ओके. नेक्स्ट, लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कॉल टू एक्शन. Fine. Every advertisement wants the audience to do something. Like buy now, join today, save water, visit us on our websites or in our shop, बट दीज इंस्ट्रक्शंस इज कॉल्ड कॉल टू एक्शन, कि कोई ना कोई काम करवाना है उस एडवर्टीजमेंट के बाद, आपको एक एक्शन देना है. विदाउट कॉल टू एक्शन एडवर्टीजमेंट इज इनकम्प्लीट, क्योंकि आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि इस प्रोडक्ट को देखकर हमें क्या करना है ना. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम आपको एड भेज रहे हैं कि दैट वी आर गोइंग टू हैव दिस सेशन, तो वी आर गिविंग यू द लिंक टू ज्वाइन अस. फाइन. सो all these call to actions are very much important. One interactive questions right now. Look at any advertisement around you right now and what action does it want you to take? क्या action आपको लग रहा है कि वो आपको दे रहे हैं call to action? Okay, Prisha is saying we take responsibility on self. Okay. And write down the name of the ad also, कि आपको कोई ad याद है या कोई आपको ad दिख रही है सामने, कोई न्यूज़पेपर है. If you can see the newspaper, there are newspapers में आपके बहुत सारे ads आप देख सकते हो. यहाँ पे क्लासिफाइड आता है न्यूज़पेपर में, आप बहुत सारे एड्स देख सकते हो. नाउ यू सी दोज एड्स, अपने न्यूज़पेपर में एड देखो एंड ट्राई टू लोकेट दीज 5 थिंग्स, कि क्या आपको ये 5 चीजें, 5 रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, जो भी हम 5 चीजें बता रहे हैं, क्या आपको ये उसमें दिख रही हैं. यस, सेव वाटर बाय स्वच्छ भारत, कमल को दबाएं, बीजेपी को जिताएं. फाइन. To know the instructions using the internet, Amul ad, drink milk, play football. Yes, you have to take the special action to follow the instruction while using the internet. Yes. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स, जहां भी आपको ये एड्स दिखती हैं बाइट में, वो पॉलिटिकल एड्स होंगी. जब हम लोग इलेक्शंस आने वाले होते हैं तब पॉलिटिकल एड्स आती हैं, या जॉइन अस करके हमें कोई भी. अच्छा, अब भी मुझे बताओ, आई जस्ट दिस कम टू माई माइंड, कल ऐसा क्या इवेंट है जिसके आपको बहुत सारी एडवर्टीजमेंट्स आ रही हैं? टुमारो इज समथिंग स्पेशल. यस प्रीति, वेरी नाइस. योगा डे. ठीक है, तो कल योगा डे है. एवरीबडी इज गोइंग टू डू योगा इन द मॉर्निंग. तो आपको बहुत सारी, यस आजकल फीफा वर्ल्ड कप चल रहा है, उसकी एड्स आपको आ रही हैं. इंटरनेशनल योगा डे की आ रही हैं, फादर्स डे की एड्स आ रही हैं आपको. यस, गेमिंग डे, है ना. तो बहुत सारे इस तरीके की एड्स आपको आ रही हैं. नाउ फाइंड इट आउट. अब आपने कोई भी एड देखनी है ना, तो उस एड में ये 5 इंग्रेडिएंट्स देखने हैं कि क्या ये 5 इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं. एंड नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, next step, I'm showing you a ad here of cyber safety. Now you have to locate logo, slogan or visuals, emotion, call to action. So just write it down in the chat कि कहाँ आपको logo दिख रहा है, what is the logo right now here, and what is the slogan you are finding in the ad. Just quickly write it down in the chat. Digi Safe Club logo, very good Arav, very nice. कनक ने भी logo पहचान लिया, very good. Digi Safe Club. Be smart, be safe is what? Just write it down there कि ये क्या है, ये स्लोगन है, ये क्या है. Yes, स्लोगन है ये, ठीक है. Be smart, be safe is a slogan. Very nice, very nice. Can you find any other slogan on the screen? और भी स्लोगन्स दिख रहे होंगे. Can you see the visuals? कौन कौन से visuals हैं? And what are the emotions involved? Yes, think before you click. Yes, hacker and a boy are the visuals. You can see these are also visuals. We call them visuals. ये भी जो आपके हैं respect others online के ऊपर ये है, ये भी हम visuals देते हैं. Yes, emotions are also involved. You can see कि if the person is using the club membership, so he's very happy, showing us the thumbs up that he is very happy. But you can say यहाँ पर जो बंदा दिख रहा है, जो हैकर है, उसको हम शेडी दिखा रहे हैं, ब्लैक कलर का और रेड कलर का. सो हेयर इमोशन हमारे कैसे इन्वॉल्व है कि कुछ ना कुछ तो यहाँ गड़बड़ है. दैट पर्सन इज शेडी. So we can see the emotions over here. Yes. So now you can easily locate. Very good. You are detective now and you can easily locate these 5 things, 5 ingredients in a ad. Congratulations that you have learned about them. Very nice. Very nice. Now it's time for the practical work. Now we will be introducing Canva with you, a free, easy to use design tool for everyone, for every designer. And we'll have the hands-on practice on Canva right now. Fine. So we have lots of free templates here, videos, animations, music, everything is there. Now we will be learning about Canva. So let me open Canva on my system. It's already open. Okay. So this is the interface of the Canva. Give me thumbs up if you can see the interface of the Canva on my screen. Okay, so we can call this as a dashboard. This is the home. If I'll click on the home, So I can create presentations, social media, videos, print shop, document, whiteboard. So there are lots of things are available to me. Then we have projects which I have already created. Now let's go to the templates. Templates are ready-made designs that help us to start quickly instead of creating everything from the scratch. So if you have already have the templates, we can start, at least हमें एक start मिल जाती है, and then we'll get the good ideas of doing it in a good manner. So let's create a poster today by using the template. So click on the poster and I can have lots of posters available to me. देखो अब कल योगा डे है ना, तो they are suggesting me to create a poster on the yoga. Fine. So let's do one thing. I will take a very interesting topic today that is helpful to you also. My interesting topic is healthy school tiffin campaign. Okay. So what will I do? I'll first take the create a blank one. If you want to start from the scratch itself, कि मुझे मेरा idea पता है, I know the 5 things which I need to put it here, I will do on my own. I don't need a template. So you can start with the blank one. आप blank open करेंगे. On the left hand side, you can see the templates. ठीक है, यू कैन सर्च द टेम्पलेट्स और यू कैन डिस्क्राइब योर आइडियल डिजाइन कि आपको किस तरीके का डिजाइन चाहिए, एंड दे कैन जनरेट इट ऑल्सो बिकॉज दिस इज ऑल्सो एन एआई इंटीग्रेटेड. ठीक है, यहाँ पर आपको एआई इंटीग्रेटेड चीजें भी मिल जाएंगी. दे कैन जनरेट योर आइडियाज ऑल्सो. सो दीज आर द टेम्पलेट्स विच आर इजिली अवेलेबल. देन ऑन द सेकेंड टैब वी हैव एलिमेंट्स. Elements give us icons, shapes, stickers, lines, and graphics. Lots and lots of graphics to make our design more attractive. Fine. Then in the next, we'll get the text. Fine. Text allows us to add headings, slogans, and important information to our advertisement, to our posters, to our whatever we want to create. Next, we'll have lots of photos with us. ठीक है, जब आप एलिमेंट्स में जाओगे तो यहां पर आपको बहुत सारी फोटोज भी, शेप्स, फोटोज, वीडियोस, ऑडियोज बहुत सारी मिल जाएंगी. Photos provide thousands of ready to use images that can make our advertisement look professional. Videos help us to create moving advertisements to grab attentions quickly. Then audios allow us to add music and sound effects to make our videos very engaging, more engaging. Now think of Canva as a digital art studio. ठीक है, ये आपका एक तरह का डिजिटल आर्ट स्टूडियो. यू डोंट नीड एनीथिंग एल्स. यू कैन क्रिएट एनीथिंग व्हाट यू वांट टू क्रिएट, वेयर ऑल द टूल्स ऑफ द डिजाइनर, कि कोई भी डिजाइनर अगर इसको क्रिएट करना चाहता है, आर अवेलेबल इन वन प्लेस. फाइन. आप काफी चीजें आपको इसमें फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिल जाएंगी. अदरवाइज अगर आप चाहते हो, आप प्रोफेशनली डिजाइनिंग करना चाहते हो, तो यू कैन टेक द प्रो वर्जन ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ लेट्स क्रिएट अ एड. सो व्हाट आई वांट टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज द टेम्पलेट फॉर दैट फर्स्ट. ठीक है, सपोज मैंने यहाँ पर आपको बताया कि मुझे एक हेल्दी स्कूल टिफिन कैंपेन चलाना है, तो आई विल राइट इट डाउन, कैंपेन. ठीक है, सो व्हाट आई विल सर्च. फर्स्ट आई विल सर्च कि मुझे अच्छा एक इवेंट मिल जाए. सो इफ आई एम सेटिस्फाइड विद दिस, I can do that. But suppose I'm not satisfied with the templates provided here, so I can ask them to generate it for me. So it will start thinking, start finalizing. So it is going to create a campaign for me जो भी उसके दिमाग में है. ठीक है, so let it be. पहले हम देखते हैं कि वो हमें क्या create करके देता है, and then we can do the changes accordingly. We can add the backgrounds, we can add different images, we can add titles, we can add slogans, and we can add catch to action also. All those 5 ingredients we are going to input in our poster. Okay, so design is almost ready. So let's see. Okay, fuel their day right, join the healthy school tiffin campaign. If I'm satisfied with this, I can use that, or I'll ask him to generate again. But let it be. We'll start with this. So now when I click over it will give me that on my canvas, and which is totally, I would say it is editable mode. Fine, it's not a picture over here. I'm getting it in the editable mode so that I can make the changes from here. Okay, so I'm not satisfied with the slogan here. So I will write it down my own slogan. ठीक है, so I'll just put a delete over here और यहाँ पर हम अपना एक खुद का स्लोगन लिख लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैंने अपना स्लोगन लिखना है तो आई वॉन्ट टू राइट ईट स्मार्ट लर्न स्मार्ट. ठीक है, सो आई राइट इट डाउन, ईट स्मार्ट कॉमा लर्न स्मार्ट. फाइन, सो दिस इज अ स्लोगन आई वॉन्ट. सो आई कैन डिक्रीज द साइज. ठीक है, आई कैन प्लेस इट. आप ये शेडो देख रहे हो यहाँ पे कि इट विल शो लाइक दिस. सो आई प्लेस समवेयर एल्स. सो इट इज शोइंग मी. तो मुझे थोड़ा सा इसको आई क्लिक ओवर हेयर एंड मैं इसको थोड़ा सा ऊपर मूव करूंगी सो दैट इट विल नॉट. ठीक है, सो सपोज दिस इज कमिंग इन बिटवीन. सो व्हाट आई कैन से डू, बिकॉज इट इज इन द लेयर्स, so I'll move a little bit here and I can delete this also, and I can delete this also. So it's up to me now. It's my call. Key drag and drop and all these things I can do it the way I want to do. So I'll place it like this way. Fine. So I have added my slogan, eat smart, learn smart, join the healthy school campaign. So my what would I call it? Like my message is there. Fine, call to action is already there. Join the healthy school campaign. So now I want a logo here. So suppose what kind of logo I want. I'll go to the elements to find a logo for me. So I'll add the graphics. So I'll find out ki I need some logo related to the food. So I will write food, happy food. So let's see. So I'm getting these logos over here. Okay. So suppose I'm not satisfied with this logo कि मेरे दिमाग में जो logo है मुझे वो create करना है. So what I will do, suppose मेरे दिमाग में है कि I need a lunch box with a smiling apple. Smiling apple. So let me ask him to generate it for me. So let's see कि क्या generate करके लेकर आता है. Just thinking कि किस तरीके की generation होनी चाहिए. So let's see what will be I am getting, कि whether it is satisfying my thinking or not, कि जिस तरीके का लोगो मुझे अपनी एडवर्टीजमेंट में देना है. So let's see. And rest आप चेक करिए. विजुअल्स वी हैव प्लेस हैप्पी स्टूडेंट्स. हमने एक हैप्पी फेस लगा दिया कि अच्छा खाना खाने से. Okay, I'm pretty much satisfied with this. So I'm using this as my slogan. So I'll just click over it and then I can reduce the size and I can place it here. क्योंकि ये मेरा इसके साथ थोड़ा सा मैच भी कर रहा है, तो I'm happy with this logo. So I can place this logo. You can place logo anywhere, wherever you want. If you want to put on the right hand side, you can do that also. Okay, if you want to change the color, suppose this color I want to change it to the green. So you can see if I'm clicking here, I'm getting the icons here. So text color, if I'll click on here, they are giving me options to change the color. Suppose I want to go with the green because they are suggesting me which color will go with this. So I can put it in a green color. कि मैंने नीचे का भी green रख दिया, ऊपर का भी green रख दिया. So there is a symmetry in my layout that I can do. So let's check. We have done the slogan, advertisement, title is there, and join the healthy school tiffin campaign. So almost my advertisement is ready. You can add your own lines also. You can add your own text also, that you can do. Now suppose I want it like a poster only. So what I will do, I'll click on the share and I'll simply download it for me. Fine. So it will give me कि मुझे क्या size चाहिए in the PNG form. I can take the download and I can use it with my friends, with my families, or wherever I want to share it. See, it's downloading. So I can download it. So it will take few seconds to download and it is done. Now suppose you want to create this in a video form. Fine. Video हम अलग से भी बनाएंगे एक, ठीक है, उसको भी मैं बताऊंगी किस तरीके से हम बनाते हैं. Now they are asking me to save it. So I'll just अभी मैं इसको अपने डेस्कटॉप पे ही सेव कर लेती हूँ. ठीक है, okay. So then I can have a look of this PNG later. Okay, fine. If I want to create this in a advertisement, so what I will do, I'll select it. Fine. On the top toolbar, I'm getting the option to animate. So I'll click on the animate. Fine. On the left hand side, I will get lots of things available to me. that how can I add the effects, how can it animate, that I can do here. Fine. So suppose मैंने इसको block में enter करवाया. So this is entering in the block by bursting, by typewriting. So it's up to you how you want the animation to be. Fine. So this image, if when I'll click on the image, again I will click on the animate. So let's see how it will go. So like it's like old TV. Fine. Like shake zoom. Let's see how it will show. Fine. So once it is done, if you want to check, then you have a preview option here. So click on the preview option and then it will show you the video over here. So click the video and see how my video looks like. You can add music also that we are going to learn in the video session. And like this way, you can convert it into the video. Okay, might be my Canva is, let me open the Canva again. So we have done the poster. Now we will do the video advertisement, that how to create video advertisement. Still we have lots of templates available, lots of music available, audio available, animations available, and it will be very easy for us to create. देखो simple drag and drop and we are creating things like a designer. Okay, so I'll quickly show you how to create a campaign. Suppose we'll take an example of campaigning of a save water. So how can we create that? Let me have some charts if any question is there. Okay, Vanu is saying I found an advertisement in which something is fading slowly. How to do it? Still बेटा आप वो बहुत सारे animations आते हैं, आप उन animations को use कर सकते हो. ठीक है, अगर आप उनको animations use करोगे तो आप कर सकते हो. Now try all the animations कि आपको किस एनिमेशन में वो सेटिस्फैक्टरी रिजल्ट मिल रहा है. ठीक है, ओके ओके. लेट मी क्विकली गो टू द होम फर्स्ट and now we are going to create a video. So for that I'm clicking on the video here, taking a little bit time. Quickly. Okay, for video what we need to do, we have to click on the video. Okay, let's check out with the templates. Might be it's not working properly in the internet. Okay, fine. So suppose we are going to create the mobile video. So I'll click on the mobile video over here and it's going to open a template for me. So lots of templates are available for the video. You can see over here. Now suppose I'll write it down here, save water. So let's see, for save water, I have any template available which can help me. Okay, I have lots of things available. Suppose I'll select this one. So it is getting ready for me. It will take few seconds and it will provide me with the template of video. Might be it is taking a little time because it's a video, so it will take a little time. Okay. So I'm clicking on customize this template. It is showing me. So I'll click on the customize this template and it will open in a editable mode. So in just single click, I'll be getting a video. See, so it is available to me and I can do the, yes, I'm getting all the options on the left hand side. At the bottom, I'm getting for how long I want this video to run. I can add plus pages also to it. Fine. So I'm just crossing it. Let's see how we can do that. So suppose I'm clicking on the elements. I want to add few elements here. If I want to increase the size, I have a dragger here. Fine. So for that, first of all, I need to create scenes. So this is a very first scene. You can create scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. Like this way, you can add different pages over here. ठीक है, जहां पर यहाँ पर आप pages पे click करोगे. So this is the very first page right now. ठीक है, so if you want to add pages, what you can do, you can add pages here. और आप जितनी लंबी उस प्रेजेंटेशन को, वीडियो को आप क्रिएट करना चाहते हो, यू कैन ऐड डिफरेंट पेजेस. राइट नाउ वी आर वर्किंग ऑन द वन पेज एंड यू कैन ऐड एज मेनी एज पेज फॉर योर डॉक्यूमेंट और योर वीडियो. ठीक है, लाइक हेयर वी हैव अ वर्ल्ड वाटर डे, द टाइटल इज ऑलरेडी देयर. Again, suppose same thing we have to do. I need to add some graphics here, some more graphics for so यहाँ पर see all करके हम यहाँ पर कुछ मैजिक रिकमेंडेशंस भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Suppose मैंने ये drop वाला point यहाँ पर लिया. If I'll click on it, so it will be added to my system. ठीक है? That I can use. So same thing that you can do. उसके बाद आप इसकी animations कर सकते हो, elements add कर सकते हो, text add कर सकते हो. The same way we have done there. Then you can preview it, how it goes on. You can see the preview, how it will go on. Once it is done for you, you just download as a MP4 file and you can share it with everyone. So this is the way you can create the videos, you can create the posters, you can create any Instagram reel or anything that you want to create, you can create using the Canva. So it's going to be very interesting. Try it today. I'm giving you 2 projects for this. So let me go back to my presentation again. So now it's your turn. So the very first project that you are going to do is to promote a local business. You can take example of any bakery shop near you, any tailor, any toy shop or any stationery shop, and you are going to create a poster for them or a 30 seconds video for them so that you can promote their businesses. So one thing that you are going to do this. Next project, you can take the screenshot if you wish. Take the screenshot and give me thumbs up if you have taken the screenshot. Very nice. Very nice. So you are going to do this today. It is going to help the local business. Then your project 2 is the social awareness campaign. जैसे अभी हमने save water का देखा. So you can take another example of tree plantation, road safety, digital safety and clean school and create a poster and a video advertisement for that too and share it in your groups. Social media groups पे भी share कर सकते हो, WhatsApp group पे share कर सकते हो. Tell your parents to share it to spread awareness. Fine. तो ये सब काम आपने project 1, project 2 दोनों करने हैं. And if you are sharing on social media websites, so you can tag our company, Yep Education, hashtag Yep Education also, hashtag StuCode. आप हमें tag कर सकते हैं so that we can see what you are creating after watching or after attending our sessions. So let's get back to the interesting part. Quiz time. Let's see what we have learned today. Okay, which of the following is a Canva feature used to make designs attractive? Give me the answer quickly. Yes, I'm getting the right answers. Yashasvi, Kanav, Shivansh, Vanu, Kanav, Vaibhav, Arav, Kanak, Trusha, Arya, Anishka, Dhruvi. So they all are writing. The answer is template. Very nice. The answer is templates. Very good. Okay, next question to me quickly. What is the main purpose of an advertisement? To entertain people only? To increase internet speed? To teach coding? Or to pursue people to take action? Give me the complete answer in the chat, everyone. Okay, Arav is saying to make people aware. Very nice. Akshat is giving the answer. Tusha is giving the answer. Yes, to teaching code. Somebody is saying to teaching code. So basically advertisement का main purpose, you have to find out the main purpose. Advertisement is always not always for the entertaining purpose. सिर्फ entertainment के लिए कोई भी advertisements create नहीं करता है. They have some purpose for that. Yes, the answer is to persuade people to take action. कि कोई ना कोई action लिया जाए, वो buy करें product को या वो save water करें, कोई awareness create हो. तो basically we want people to take action after that, after watching that advertisement. Fine. Okay. Next. Next question is which element help people instantly recognize a brand? If you need to identify a brand, recognize a brand. So which is the first thing? A paragraph or a table or a border or a logo? Yes, Arav, Shivansh, Kana, Prisha, Chirag, Dhruvi, Harshi. Very nice. Raja, Anishka. They all are writing logo. Very good. Okay. Now, next. In Canva, which feature can be used to make a video advertisement more engaging? क्या चीज ऐसी हम डालें वीडियो एडवर्टीजमेंट में कि it's give us a feature which will add more engaging, more interesting. Yes, Bhavishya is saying Aparna is given answer. Satyam, Arav, Shivansh, Vanu, Anushka, Dhruvi. Yes. So the answer is animation and music. So if animation and music is there present in the advertisement, So then we have a engaging advertisement. Now last, which of the following is an example of call to action? Nice weather today, buy now and save 20%, welcome to our school, or my favorite color is blue. So what do you think of कि कॉल टू एक्शन कहाँ आ रहा है कि कोई चीज हम किसी को परसुएट कर रहे हैं कि आप ये काम करो. कनक इज राइटिंग द करेक्ट आंसर. आर्या थिंक अगैन. Trushi think again. Yashasvi is giving the right answer. Viha think again. Yes, the answer is buy now and save 20% because we are telling them to take an action. नाइस वेदर टुडे में हम उनको सिर्फ बता रहे हैं कि आज वेदर अच्छा है, बट उसके लिए उनको क्या एक्शन लेना वी आर नॉट टेलिंग देम. वेलकम टू आवर स्कूल, बट एक्शन कुछ नहीं है इसमें. बेसिकली जब हम बाय नाउ एंड सेव 20% है उसमें हम उनको अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, उनको परसुएट कर रहे हैं कि आप ये काम करो. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द CTA मीन्स कॉल टू एक्शन. वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड वेरी वेरी thankful to you all that you are and keeping this session very interactive. Very nice, very nice. I'm getting lots of answers. Okay, now last but not the least, today you learn advertisement basics, design principles, Canva tools, poster creation, video creation, and most importantly you learn that creativity plus technology can be create a powerful communication, a powerful digital communication for all of you. Thank you everyone. I'm excited to see advertisements you create. So do share it with us and keep learning, keep creating, keep inspiring everyone. Thank you and all the best.